Guys, have you heard about this powerful herb called the Soursop leaf? Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys all I know about this amazing leaf. Hello, lovelies. Welcome to my channel. I'm always glad having you guys here. Soursop leaves are rich in powerful antioxidants along with essential vitamins like vitamin C and some B vitamins, minerals, potassium, iron, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and some unique bioactive compound, which contributes to its traditional use of reducing oxidative stress, fighting inflammation, and supporting the immune system. Guys, these leaves are also great for digestion. It promotes a healthy skin. It helps you sleep very well. If you have trouble sleeping, it's great for the regulation of blood sugar level, and it also treats high blood pressure. If you're looking for something that would help reduce menstrual cramps, this is the herb for you. Making the tea is quite simple. So go ahead to pour in some water in a bowl and go ahead to rinse these leaves thoroughly. Of course, you would like to start off with clean leaves. Please rinse the leaves as many times as you deem fit. Even though the leaves does not carry much dirt, this step is still very much essential. So once you're done washing or rinsing your leaves, place them in a pot. I used about a handful of leaves here and about 1 liter or 1.5 liter of water. Make sure to make this tea on a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So lovelies, if you've watched to this point, that means you like this video. The only way you can encourage me to drop even more wonderful videos for you is actually to engage whenever I post something. Do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. So at this stage, our tea is already boiling. It's boiled for some minutes. So I covered it yet again for a while. Please, you're advised not to take this tea with your high BP or diabetics medication. Breastfeeding and lactating mothers are advised to stay away from this tea. So at this point, you can notice the change in color of the water, and now our tea is ready. A cup of this twice daily is great, but if you suffer from low BP, please take this tea with caution. See you lovelies in my next video. Bye.